This is the War Brief Daily for May 12th, covering the Iran and wider Middle East theater. Three major developments tonight. First, the collapse of Iran-U.S. diplomacy. President Trump publicly declares Tehran's counterproposal totally unacceptable. Second, the Lebanon front. A confirmed IDF combat death as strike operations pass 800 total. And third, Iranian-linked drones strike three Gulf nations simultaneously, all U.S. military basing partners. First, the diplomatic breakdown. This is confirmed. President Trump posted to Truth Social today, rejecting Iran's latest counterproposal to the U.S. 14-point ceasefire framework. And he did it in all caps. Quote, "Totally unacceptable." Trump stated his patience with Iran is over. Multiple wire services corroborate the post directly. The core breakdown. Iran refused to commit to fully dismantling its uranium enrichment program, a non-negotiable demand from both Washington and Jerusalem. Netanyahu stated publicly the Iran war is, quote, "far from over. No new round of talks is scheduled." Why this matters. Operation Epic Fury concluded on May 5th. The ceasefire framework that followed was always fragile. With Supreme Leader Khamenei dead and IRGC hardliners now controlling Tehran, the probability of resumed strikes against Iranian ballistic missile infrastructure just went up significantly. Second, the Lebanon front. Also confirmed, the IDF conducted more than 70 strikes against Hezbollah targets in southern Lebanon in the past 24 hours, bringing the total to over 800 strikes since the ceasefire framework began. The 551st Brigade remains forward deployed past the yellow line with artillery and drones active. The critical development. A Hezbollah explosive-laden drone crossed into Israel and killed one IDF reserve soldier, identified as Lavanov, near the border. Confirmed by official IDF statement. Israel-Lebanon talks are scheduled for Washington this week. But on the ground, this is not a ceasefire. This is an active combat zone. Third, the Gulf picture. And this one requires a label. On May 11th, the UAE, Kuwait, and Qatar all reported drone attacks linked to Tehran. Gulf defense statements confirm the attacks, but Iranian state acknowledgement is absent. Credible and emerging, not yet fully confirmed from the Iranian side. What is confirmed? Iranian officials issued a direct public warning, quote, "Our restraint is over." Confirmed by CNN and Iranian state-affiliated Noor News. Those three Gulf nations all host U.S. military bases. A Shahed drone cost Tehran around $50,000 to launch. Intercepting one costs coalition forces $3 to $5 million. The math is deliberate, and the target list is not random. Three watch points for the next cycle. Will Trump's rejection produce a renewed U.S. military action timeline or a final diplomatic ultimatum? Will the Israel-Lebanon-Washington talks hold or collapse? And critically, if satellite imagery confirms Iranian attribution on the Gulf drone strikes, expect immediate escalation from both Washington and Gulf partners. Watch U.S. carrier group positioning, Houthi activity from Yemen, and any Israeli signaling toward Iran's reconstituting missile infrastructure. Those are your key updates from May 12th. This is the War Brief Daily.